So this is the assembly of the Flask itself. Because of its size, it had to be printed in 4 individual pieces. These are the two of the 4 individual pieces. And then here I've already begun with a hot glue gun and a soldering iron to put 2 of the pieces together using the hot glue sort of in the middle areas, and then around the edges I'm using the soldering iron to sort of meld the units together. They're starting, like that, and some of it's not completely flush, but then I use the soldering iron and flush it out and sort of make a weld, if you will. Okay, so I've just completed with the first 2 pieces, and turns out came out pretty sturdy. So we're going to continue with this process until it's done. I mean, I expected it to be kind of fragile, but it feels pretty firm. Shaking it a little and it's withstanding. So this process is proven to be an effective process. Okay, so once we apply some hot glue through the center of the pieces and I put them together, I'm using binder clips to hold it together as we allow the glue to set. And then I will go around starting with these exposed seams and melt them together with the soldering iron, and then just come across the middles, removing a clip, doing a section, removing a clip, doing a section, and so forth. So here we are with the completed Flask. The Flask is the item that the jig which we designed was designed in order to lift it, remove it from the building, and place it in a storage area outside of the building. All 4 pieces have come together well. So hard to get it all in the camera, but it turned out to be pretty solid. It's that glue gun as well as my solder joints turned out to do the trick. So next we'll assemble the jig itself.